Okay guys, let me go on TradingView. We're gonna look at gold and Bitcoin as every day. If you just arrived on the stream, just take the time to put a little bit of likes on the right side of your screen. If you're on your phone, you've got a heart, you just need to press it. That will send the signal to YouTube that we are live and that everyone can join, even public people. And I would really appreciate that, concerning the fact that everything I send you today is free. So if a lot of people can actually see what we're doing now, it's more benefits for everyone here, because I will live more and I will have more people asking good questions like you always do. So let's check gold. As you know, I've been sending today's trade publicly. If you are in the public channel, you know that I've been sending a buy today. Basically, we've been buying on 82, so somewhere like that, yeah, somewhere like that. It was a few hours ago, so basically here. Let me put the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. So basically, we've been buying at 82, something like that. Our last target is around here, and basically our stop loss was around here. Yeah, something like that. So basically, as you can see, we've been hitting TP1 and TP2. I didn't announce TP2. Let me check. Yeah, I've been hitting my TP2. TP2 was on 89. So basically here, and we've been hitting TP2. So normally everyone took profit. You can tell me in the chat if you've been taking today's trade. Hello Oral, hello Adam. Everyone, make sure to post a message and tell me if you managed to take today's trade, so I can actually check who's made profit in the group. If you didn't make profit in the group, well, maybe tonight during the session we will be able to take a few more trades. I'm just waiting for people to engage in the chat, and for that I'm waiting to see if you guys took the trade. It was sent 100% for free publicly. No need to be in the VIP for today's trade. Sometimes I like to give to everyone an extract of what you can get every day in the VIP, 5 to 10 trades a day. Okay, we are 15 people on the stream. 15 people. How many people took today's trade? How many people took money today? Hello. Hallo. Bist du von Deutschland? Thanks. No problem. No problem. We're going to be looking for more opportunities. The liquidity is kind of done for today, but we always have some money to make on the market. If not on the gold, we'll check Bitcoin. I'm just waiting for you guys. Favor. Okay, you said me. How much did you make today? I took a few. Okay, free will. How much did you make? Tell me how much did you manage to make? And if you took the trade but didn't make money, which is impossible, basically tell me why, and I will try to help you guys. When we can entry sell for gold? Why would you enter on a sell? Yes, tell me, and I will try to see if your analysis is correct. No judgment. I would reckon that if you want to enter on a sell, you wait for a smaller retracement, maybe on 80 to 85, because basically you can see we have two equal lows on the 89 area. We have two 15-minute time frame equal lows, but we didn't come back on the 85 zone before going down. But I agree with you, there's a big chance that we retrace until 72. Hi Nicolo. Hi Favor. Only a beginner, so I only got 25 euros. But you know, man, if you make 25 euros every day, that's 750 euros at the end of the month. You can probably pay your rent with that. So congratulations. Everyone in the chat, 19 people watching, we're going to be taking a position. But before, I just want everyone to say, good job. Say it in your language to Favor making 25 euros today in trading by himself. Motivation, free will. I have a small account. I took a lot, 0.01, and got scared. Only took a little 30 USD before it hit TP. So first of all, you made 30 USD with the minimum risk, which is incredible. So congratulations, everyone. Say congratulations to Favor and Motivation. And second thing, man, you are understanding your mistake, which makes you in a position of not doing the mistake again, which is the best thing. Okay, so everyone can say thank you. Yes, okay, noted. Thanks for your prediction. Yes, I'm not a magician, but I think just looking at a simple chart that this is the best entry point on 85. Hello, what about Ethereum and Bitcoin? There's a lot of liquidity. Yes, we're going to be looking at the charts, but more than the charts, I'm going to look at the liquidations and the volumes, which are much better indicators of the trend on a short-term vision, because as you maybe know, we are scalping the market during those lives, making us exposed to volatility much more than if we were holding the trade on the long term like we did today on gold. Bravo. Thank you, Nicolo. Ericsson, good job. Okay, bravo. Everyone say congratulations, bravo. Nicolo is Italian, so he says bravo. But all of you, even if you're not Italian, you can say bravo to motivation, to favor to all the people that took the risk on the market to make money. It worked. They got money from their trading today, which is the hardest step to start. Let me open Bookmap and we're going to check Bitcoin while gold is not in the right area to actually short it for now. Bravo. Ah, thank you. That's what I like to see. Let the other people sleep. It's okay if they're not here. We are 15 motivated people, and that's really enough to make money. I have only 5 people liking the live out of 16, which is a problem because I'm about to give a trade, but I don't want to give a trade if the 16 people here didn't put likes. It's free. Just got to check on the right side of your screen. You've got a little heart. You just need to press it a few times, and it's 100% for free, like this live. Muy bien. Ah, muy bien. Yes, where are you from? I can't wait for more profit. Well, let's not get emotional, but I'm going to check the charts. As you can see, Bitcoin had a nice retracement, and right now it's kind of ranging. I'm going to check the chart on TradingView before, and sorry, my computer makes a lot of noise. He's getting hot. Whoa, this is kind of difficult. There's a nice area to go back to. We might not go back to 114,200, 300, but I would take a buy here. I would take a small buy. That's what I'm gonna do. If you guys want to follow, you can take a trade. Don't overexpose yourself. I've been making more than 400 today. That's why I'm taking the risk by myself. If you guys made just a little bit of money, try to not risk more than what you made today. Even less is better. So even if you lose this trade, you have the opportunity to keep your day in profit. But I would reckon a buy. Some of people would tell me that the trend is actually bearish, which is completely the case. But on the other hand, I don't really understand why this area, which is basically where all the volume is at, has been broke, and there are a lot of chances that the reintegration, even if it's a fake reintegration, while we are scalping, we can make profit, even if the price does a fake reintegration. So basically, I'm always using probability to make you win money, and the most probable scenario, even if we don't go back in the reintegration zone, would be something like that, even if we keep this bearish trend. So that's okay with me, and I'm actually winning $30 at this moment. I just took a buy when I told you that I did. Okay, I took a buy. For those just joining, I'm taking a buy. I've been taking a buy, and right now I'm winning just $30. Why? Just because here, as you can see, there's no liquidity to go back down. So the most probable scenario is to fill this gap and then go down. And we're just making small profit here because we've been making most profit during the day. How long is your life, and is it every day? Yeah, it's every day except the weekend, because basically, as I told you, the most important thing for me when I share this, as you can see, I've got nothing to win. I've got strictly nothing to win by giving you free information and free lives. But I do it by passion, because I'm passionate about trading. And I also think that, in my opinion, most traders that I can see on social networks are really not interesting for you guys. They are mostly scammers or crap traders. Mostly you never see them on the graphs. This is the good opportunity for you to have a free service, even if you trade demo, to check how you can scalp. But I don't want to take too much time. You know, trading took a lot of time in my life, and I think I kind of regret sometimes that I could have been passing with my friends, with my family. Weekend is made for that. There's no liquidity on the market. So we still have Bitcoin trades in the VIP during the weekend, but no lives. So you can stay by yourselves. Let me go on the YouTube channel and let me check on the YouTube channel. Let me check if you guys went to see my video. Only 30 views. As you can see, this video was a nice talk where I was explaining why people say trading is a scam and how you can actually go through those opinions and get money. But basically, I've been doing a video on the law of attraction. Manifest your dream with the law of attraction. If you guys enjoy this kind of subjects and you want to apply it to trading from a trader, which is me, as you can see on the screen, it's an interesting video. It's only 7 minutes. It's kind of interesting to understand how the law of attraction helped me to become profitable and to live fully from trading. I think it's kind of interesting. If you guys want to check it, it's free. It's on the channel. Okay, let's follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bullish on a 1 minute time frame. It's kind of not moving a lot, but I'm taking a position with what I've got now. Let's wait on gold. Let's wait on gold. If you look at the trade anyway, I'm out on the third position on gold. I'm out right now. So basically this trade is not working anymore. I was just showing you the trade that we took today, but as you can see, great entry point, not too much drawdown, stop loss at the right area of the market, kind of a good job. I'm just showing you today's trade, but basically we got out of position on the first position. TP1 and 2 were achieved, and oh shit, TP3 was not. So okay, let me send the TP2 in the group, because basically we've been making money with TP2 also. I don't know how many pips we've been making on the market. 89, 82, 70 pips. 70 pips today. TP2 was 70 pips. Let me send that in the group. If you want to join the group, you go on the YouTube channel. You go on the YouTube channel here, you subscribe, you like the video, and you've got the link here. You click and you can actually join. Easy. Easy for anyone. Okay? As you can see, guys, right now, gold, there's not much to do. That's why we're trading Bitcoin. And right now, I should be deeply in profit. I'm going to check now. Right now, I'm winning 120 euros. 120 euros, guys. Tell me in the chat, are you in profit? Obviously you are if you followed my call. Tell me in the chat. Could you share your strategy? Yes, I can share my strategy. If you want my live strategy, like all the setups and the way I trade, that would be basically in the mentorship. Mentorship is an investment. It's a few $1,000s, to be honest. I take only like 2 or 3 people every year, but I follow them for 3 months. So basically it's a great investment. For 90 days, I follow you one-to-one. I give you my tools, my strategy, everything that I actually have today. And when you go out of the mentorship, you actually know as much as I do. And if I can live fully from trading, why wouldn't you, you know? Let me check how much I made this month with trading. I show you. As you can see, this month, $23,000, and you can check. It's a real account, live account, and basically, yeah, we've been making a lot of profit. You can check everything. I've got nothing to hide, basically. Yeah, so easy. And as you can see, I'm in a new place at every live. You can, if you want to have fun, you can check all the live sessions, and you can actually check the places. I'm never in the same villa, etc. So when I say I'm free financially, geographically, and free of my time, it's the truth. I'm just trying to explain to you that once you know everything you need to know about trading, you don't need to go work. You don't need to stay in the place you're right now. I know how much people want to travel, go out, see the world. You're right, do it. And if you can't, help yourself, take the mentorship. I've just made $9 in a minute. Thank you so much. Pleasure's mine. I'm not in this trade. Okay, profit. Yeah, cool. So basically, I would share my strategy, but it's kind of, you know, lifetime knowledge. If I give that on a live, I will not be in capacity of helping you to really use the strategy and to really be profitable. My engagement would be only with someone I mentor for 90 days, because in 90 days, I'm sure that you understood everything. I'm sure that you actually use it, and I'm sure that you actually make money on the market. That's how I work, man. Okay, I'm winning 100 right now. I'm winning $100. I'm gonna close $30, a third of my position, guys, a third of my position. Okay, so 1/3. I'm gonna close $30, which is, as you can see, not so much money, but I prefer to win and to secure than to actually lose. And by the way, for the people asking themselves, am I a real trader? You can check the channel. You've got all the lives here. You can check. We've got the best community. Everyone is so nice with me in the comments because they're actually having all of that for free. You can see how much time I've passed with all of you guys. And this channel is pretty new, and we're already 222 subscribers, which is incredible. So take your time, enjoy, have fun, and make money. Okay. Well, nice. I'm gonna secure my 2 other trades at entry point because I'm only up $25 on each remaining trades. I've got 3 positions. 1 is secured. I just took $33 of profit, and I've got 2 other positions at plus $25, which I'm securing to entry points. So basically, if we go back to my entry point, I will get out and lose 0, but win 0 on the 2 other positions. I hope that's clear for everyone. But for now, we are in profit, so let's wait. Let's be patient. Ding, 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 ding. If you guys want to help, you can send me a message, a video, a vocal note in the channel. Just have to click here, click on the link. If you're already in the channel, you just need to send me a message here. You just click here on the channel and you've got my support account, which is me answering to everyone. You can just click here and send me a message, a vocal note about how you won money today or in the last live sessions. That will make me really happy. Really happy. Okay, well, kind of boring. This session is kind of boring. I must admit, I thought there was going to be more liquidity. As you can see, we have strictly nothing keeping the price that low. So price should be booming anytime soon. Okay, I'm up 80. Guys, I'm up 100 on the 2 last positions. This is scalping, so I'm risking 0.50 now. My account just increased. I'm winning 100 more. Okay, I'm gonna close another position, plus $45 on the position, and I've got 1 more position. I'm up $220 in the live. Oh, not in the live actually. That's my day. Okay, I'm still not out. Up $46 on the last position. I'm gonna keep it now. I don't risk anything. What I'm gonna do is wait. Super clear, understood, super profit, cool. Okay, everyone's winning. As always, you can check there's no losing session. And as you can see, why did price not go down here? Basically because we've got a strong hold of contracts on 113,200. There are basically 32 contracts which are protecting this area, which is why I've got my entry point around here and why we've got the stop losses. Well, basically my stop loss is my entry point now, and I'm up $50 on the last position. 50. It would be interesting to keep it and to let it go, but on my side it's already midnight and I don't want to stay awake and I don't want to take night fees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close it Now if you want to keep it, you can keep it. I'm gonna close it at plus 55. That makes a $300 day, basically only wins. And we've been hitting TP2 in the public channel. We've been making profit on this live. I'm closing now. You can keep your last position. It's secured anyway. I just don't want to do it because I'm done for today. $300 is a shit day, but it's still a good day because we are in profit. For now, my month is at plus 23,000. Yeah. So basically 300 per day would make it 10,000. And as you can see, my scenario for now is exactly what's happening on the market as always. So if you want to join the Telegram group, you go on the channel, you click on the link, you press join. I might save a few spots for the VIP tonight if you want to join. You've got full access to what I do, my trades, day and night, weekends included. You can join. If you want, you join, you send me a message. If you are broke as fuck, just watch all the YouTube videos, get full value, comment, leave a like, subscribe, and basically I'll see you tomorrow for another live.